Good evening, everyone. Financial Freedom with Velvet here. I hope you guys had a blessed day. I hope everyone's feeling all right. I hope you guys, all my entrepreneurs, were, consistently working today. Just trying to make that extra money so you can spend more time with your family. So I found a new website today by way of research on YouTube, because I'm subscribed to someone's channel and they made a video about this site. So it's another get paid to site, as you know. It's called Coins Rewarder. I believe it's fairly new. And you just basically do the same thing you've been doing on the other sites. And, you can make a minimum cash out of $1 once you reach 100 points, okay? Right now I have 9 points. So let's get into it. So you come over here, you click on Earn Points. And we have AdGate Rewards, Peanut Labs, AdSend Media, Kiwi Wall, Toro Personally, Pay to Click Wall, Clicks Wall, and Ad Clicks Wall. Okay, Wanna ads. Preferably, I would do the clicks just because you are guaranteed. You should be able to get the points for those. Only because every time I try videos, it will not let me watch the video. I don't know what's going on, honestly. But right here, here's a good little tip. Ad block messages or points not getting credited, then use Chrome browser or Safari. Basically, if you want to get credited, if you want to make sure you are guaranteed to get your credits for the points for the offers you do, or for the things you do on here, make sure you use Chrome browser or Safari browser, okay? And if you guys want to know more, learn more about this, you can check their facts. Okay, so how do you earn points? You can earn points by either downloading apps on your phone, completing surveys, watching videos, signing up for trials, etc. How many points will I get if I complete a survey or download an app? You will get different points for different surveys, apps, videos. The amount of points will be shown beside the offer so you can see the points you will earn if you do that particular offer. Okay? How much will it take? How much time will it take to get my gift card? We will be giving out gift cards almost daily, but as we are doing it manually, it may take anywhere around 24 to 48 hours, depending on the stock we have. Okay. So these are just some questions that people normally ask, and you guys can look through the facts page if you decide to sign up. They have a referral program here. I'll leave the link in the description below if you guys want to sign up. But this is basically my referral link. And these are banners. You guys can use these if you're promoting it on like Facebook or something. These are the banners you guys can use. So yeah. So start referring people, and for every user you refer, you will get 10% of how much they earn for the entire lifetime. Spread the word. Awesome. Okay, so we went over that. Now let's go to the redeem points. You can redeem iTunes gift cards, Google Play Store gift cards, Steam gift cards, Amazon gift cards, PayPal, and Paytm, I believe. Okay, so let's look at the iTunes gift cards. For those of you that like iTunes. See? 1,000 points, $10. 1,400 points, $15. 1,700 points. You will need to have these. You will at least need to have 1,700 points to cash out a $20 gift card. It said it will cost you that many points, so you at least need to have that many points to get a $20 gift card from iTunes. Okay, this works just like any of the other ones we talked about. You guys need to have the right amount of points to cash out. Okay. Now, if you want more than $1, you can go higher. You don't have to go to $1. That's just the minimum cash out, but you can go higher than $1 if you want to. So, yeah. So let's go back. That was the iTunes. Google Play Store gift cards. For those of you that just want Google Play Store gift cards, they have those on here as well. Just remember, you have to get the right amount of points to redeem that gift card. Okay, and they also have a Steam. Sorry, I just went on that Steam gift card. Don't really know what Steam is for, but I don't really withdraw Steam. I do the PayPal Cash or transfer to my bank, but they don't have a. I don't believe they have a bank transfer. All I see is yeah, these ones. And they have Amazon gift card for those of you that like Amazon. They have $1. You can do 100 points. 475 to cash out $5. And now it gets the PayPal Cash. Let's look at the PayPal. So you guys can get an in-depth look. See, minimum redemption is $1. Okay? So you can withdraw higher than $1 if you want to. Okay? So it says there will be a PayPal transfer fee of 4.4% plus 30 cents. That will be deducted from the final amount. Conversion will appear here. Remaining balance will appear here. Okay? So this is when you guys want to cash out to PayPal and you want to convert your points to PayPal Cash. Right now I have 9 cents. That's not worth anything. That's why it says $0 because I don't have enough to cash out, but it's 9 cents right now. So like I said, you guys, you know, when you get used to doing these get paid to websites, when you get used to it and you're familiar with it, you'll know what to do. You won't even have to, you know, you just make a video and be able to get to the video like that. Only because this is the same thing I always do. I've been doing since I started Prize Rebel. I've been doing this is like the same thing. You just got to remember to clear your history when you're done doing each site. If you like, say you go to Prize Rebel and then you want to come to Coins Rewarder, before you leave, when you sign out of Prize Rebel, you need to clear your history first and then go to a different one, because for whatever the reason is, if you try to do the same thing on the other website, I believe it won't let you. So try clearing your browser history to see if, like for me, for instance, I can't do videos on Prize Rebel, but if I try clearing my history and go on a different site, I might be able to watch the videos because I cleared my history, you know, because there's no evidence that I did videos. So just keep that in mind, you guys, when you're doing these sites. You know, make sure if you're doing email submits, you know, one offer that says submit your email and get your points, make sure when you fill out the form, after you fill it out, when you're done filling it out, sign out of the website, clear your history, go back in, sign in again, and then do it again. You do that. And create an email for those specific offers. Create an email only for email submit offers on Get Paid To sites. Every single site you guys are signed up to, create an email for those email submits only. And clear your history when you're done submitting your email. That's a tip I learned from Prize Rebel only because, and give InstaGC. She basically said that when you're done doing email submits, you sign out of the website and you clear your history. And you could use the same email, but you got to make sure you clear your history after doing it. Just sign, because if you clear your history, it's going to sign you out of the website. So what I would do is do the offer, complete it, get your points, sign out of the website, and then clear your history, then sign back in and go back and do another email submit with the same email address and repeat the process. Okay? So that's my tip for you guys. You guys, you know, this is Coin Rewarder. I'm going to leave the link in the description below for you guys to sign up. Let me go ahead and copy that right now so I don't forget. So yeah, I bring you guys videos that I know will help you guys. So, you know, if you guys are interested in signing up, I'll leave the link in the description below. And there you have it. This is Coins Rewarder. My name is Velvet with Financial Freedom, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you guys will be able to see my future videos.